Hello friends, I am Satish Ahuja, editor of Legal Books and Journal. Friends, in today's video, I am going to give you information about the laws relating to dowry demands and allegations of cruelty against in-laws. I will explain whether in case of allegation of demand of dowry under Section 4 of Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 and cruelty under Section 498A of Penal Code 1860. Now Sections 85 and 86 of New Law Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 by complainant. Complaint mentioning only general allegation of demand of dowry is maintainable without mentioning specific acts, dates or physical cruelty. Friends, if you find this information useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. The Honorable Supreme Court of India decided this issue in the case of Mupuddi Lakshmi Narayana Reddy, Mupuddi, MUPPIDI, space Lakshmi, LAKSHMI, Narayana, NARAYANA, space Reddy, REDDY, versus State of Andhra Pradesh, Criminal Appeal number 2137 of 2025. Judgment was decided on 23rd April 2025. In this case, some family members of the husbands were accused of demanding dowry. The relatives, sister-in-law, her husband and father-in-law filed a petition in High Court to cancel and quash FIR against them. But High Court dismissed the petition. However, Honorable Supreme Court of India allowed appeal and held that a complaint with only general and vague allegations without specific dates or acts of cruelty is not maintainable, especially against relatives who live separately. In the case at hand, there were no allegations of physical torture against these appellants. The only claim was that they used to taunt and said they had political influence and that they supported the men accused in demanding dowry. The appellants lived in Hyderabad while the complainant was in Guntur, almost 275 kilometers away from complainant, and thereafter in USA. Since there was no detail about when they actually visited the complainant or demanded dowry, Honorable Supreme Court of India quashed criminal complaint and allowed the appeal on above mentioned grounds. Friends, under Article 141 of the Constitution of India, the law declared by the Supreme Court is binding on all courts within the territory of India, so anyone can take benefit from this judgment. If you want to understand this point in detail, please read the full Supreme Court judgment. Once again, the name of the case is Mupuddi Lakshmi Narayana Reddy, MUPPIDI, Lakshmi, LAKSHMI, Narayana, NARAYANA, Reddy, REDDY, versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Case number is Criminal Appeal number 2137 of 2025 and judgment was delivered on 23rd April 2025. Thank you friends. I will try to bring you another video soon on another important legal topic. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thanks.